All right, today we're going to be looking at equivalent quadratic equations, assignment number 91 in your Google Classroom. Problem 1 says, which equation is equivalent to x squared minus 12x plus 25? Remember, the word equivalent means like the same. Which one? So they're basically saying which equation is the same. So we have x squared plus 12x plus 25, and we got to look at number 1, 2, 3, and 4 and figure out which one is exactly the same. So let's go over here to our Desmos Calculator. We're going to type in x squared. Remember, to put in the squared, you have to press the key Shift 6. And then you got to press the right arrow key to get out of the exponent. You're going to put in the minus 12x plus 25. If we move our graph over a little bit by pressing the key, using our mouse to move over, we can see here's the graph. And then we're just going to type in the other ones. So let's try one of the other equations. Let's try the first one, x plus 6 squared. And remember, you hit Shift 6 to put in the squared. And then we do plus 11. So you can see the green graph is up here. The red graph's kind of down here. So these two graphs are not the same because they're in different places on the x and y axis. Let's try the next one. The next one is x plus 6 minus 11. So if I change this to a minus 11, a minus 11. Now they look similar, but they're still not in the exact same place. The red and green graph should be in exactly the same place for this problem. So let's try number 3, the x minus 6. So if I do x minus 6 minus 11, then we do. See, if I remove, you can see here the green and red graph are on exactly the same axes now. So the answer for this problem is number 3. So let's go ahead and try problem number 2. If I'm going to erase these two that I just did, and we have x squared minus 10x minus 43. And you can see this graph's way down here at minus 43. So it's way, way, way down here at minus 43. And so let's go ahead and try some of these. Let's try the next one. They said x plus 5 squared plus 68. And let me zoom out a little to find that other graph. So that black graph is way up here, whereas the blue graph is kind of purple graphs going down here, so they are not equivalent. So let's go ahead and try another one. Let's try x minus 5. This is because number 2 says x minus 5 plus 68. So put in a minus there. It's still not equivalent. The other one says x minus 5 minus 68. So let's try that one, x minus 5 minus 68. Minus 68, and that looks like if I play with it here, yep, they're exactly the same. See, the blue and black graph are exactly the same. So the answer would be, again, number 3. So go ahead and try and do the rest of these on your own, and that's your assignment for today.